Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload resume on Indeed or Curriculum Vitae. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and download Indeed or update Indeed to the latest version. All right. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and just go ahead to your browser and sign in or create a new account, and then verify that you are using the correct email address. They will ask you to verify that you are using that email address by sending a code or link to verify that this is your actual account. And then basically you can build your own Indeed profile, and under the resume heading are buttons for upload resume and build an Indeed resume. So you have two ways that you can actually do them. One, you can just upload your resume and let Indeed do its thing, or you can just build on your Indeed resume by clicking Indeed resume right here, build an Indeed resume, and you can basically elaborate and add in to your experience and basically have a portfolio of your Indeed. So basically that's it. That's how you upload your resume after verifying that this is your email address. All right, let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.